In this review, we will dive deep into the ActiveCampaign's features, pricing, and overall value proposition. So let's explore whether the ActiveCampaign is the ideal email marketing tools to elevate your campaign and maximize your ROI. So to get started, what is ActiveCampaign? ActiveCampaign is like a super smart assistant for your marketing and sale. It's known for intelligent marketing automation, sending the right emails to the right people at the perfect time. This means you can welcome new customers and remind others about a sale, or automatically this email marketing automation in action. Beyond email marketing service, ActiveCampaign boosts your sales engagement. It helps your sales teams connect with potential customers and stay organized. You track customers' interaction, automate message, and make sure no one goes forgotten. And here's the top benefit of ActiveCampaign, which is the advanced automation, a streamlined contact management with an effortless email campaign with improved sales management, keeps lead, and also a data-driven lead scoring. And here are the top features which makes this website stand out from crowd with its robust features designed to elevate your marketing and sales effort. So to get started with the list, which is the first is the email marketing features, which offer a comprehensive suite of email marketing tools that goes beyond basic small blast. And also you have this, which is the custom landing page features, which helps you create a intuitive landing page with no coding experience, and also a dynamic content, which helps you personalize your effective marketing with an active campaign dynamic content features that allow you to tailor your message to individual subscribers. And now talking about the pricing tag of this platform, we have different pricing the pricing plan. They have the light plan, they have the plus plan together with the professional plan, and also enterprise plan. So if you want more information about the pricing plan, you just refer to the website to get more of it. And talking about the pro, you have to understand the strength and the weakness of any tools is crucial before investing your time and money. So to get started, I'm going to walk you through with the pros and cons of this powerful website. So to get started with the pros, that's the powerful automation streamlined task with an intuitive interface which makes it easy to learn, and also have an access to it has an advanced segmentation target effective, and also built in a CRM managed contact with an extensive integration that connects your tools. And here's the downside, which is the con. The price can be complex and varies with contact. It's steep learning course for advanced features, so you need more time to study those tools, and limited free trial which only works for just only 14 days. And a reporting could be improved, not very virtual. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website. Thank you.